So today, guys, we want to still talk about making money online, and I still want to share with you some passive income ideas that is capable of making you money online this 2023. It have actually come to my notice. Well, before I proceed, I'll ask you one question. On a scale of 1 to 10, can you actually rate making money online? Do you think it's something that is promising for you, or do you think it's something that can sustain your future? Let me give you a few seconds to actually answer that question. Okay, time up. Well, I don't know what your question is. If you've already answered any question in your mind, just drop it in the comment section below. I'll go through them maybe after some time of uploading this video. But for me, on a scale of 1 to 10, making money online is a very lucrative business. I've tried it. I've seen results. So many other people have tried it. They have seen results as well. I have friends that are into making money online full-time, into content creation full-time, and they are all making money from it. So that's why I'm actually here live on camera to advise you regarding making money online. And what exactly is making money online? The online space actually has what we call the online market. Just the way you have your physical market, that's how we equally have the online market. Maybe in your physical market, you might have where you sell electronics, gadgets, home utensils, and some other stuff. But in the online market, you have maybe where you render services to make money. You have where you share contents to make money. You have where you share ideas to make money. You have where you tutor people to make money. The way the physical world works, when it has to do with making money, that's how the online actually works when it comes to making money as well. But the online tends to, take you down to the digital aspect of it. The digital, that's why they call it digital content creation, digital way of making money, and all of those stuff. So it's very simple, and it's simply put, if you want to start making money online, there are some things you need to put into consideration first. 1 is patience. Yes, 1 is patience. 2 is focus. 3 is hard work. 4 is consistency. Let me break it down for you then before I just quickly share some passive income ideas or some make money online ideas that you can actually start working on today. Be patient on it, work hard on it, stay focused on it, stay consistent on it. And at the end of the day, you thank your maker and you come back thanking me for sharing this idea with you today. So making money online is actually, trying to earn a sustainable income for yourself. Like you visit the digital world, you check out the various ways of, doing stuff. Maybe marketing, promoting, content creation. There are several ways of making money online. There are over 1,000 ways of making money online. Maybe trading stock, trading forex, trading crypto, writing content, creating video content, writing articles. There are several ways of making money online. Maybe doing freelancing, doing CPA marketing, doing affiliate marketing. There are numerous ways of making money online, and they all work depending on how you maximize the opportunity or the strategies. So the one I mostly want to focus on today is actually content creation. Do you know that people that create content on Facebook are really making cool cash? And do you equally know that people that create content on Instagram are making cool cash? Even the TikTokers are making money, let alone the YouTubers. They are all making money. Video content is selling, video content have been selling, and video content will keep on selling. I just want to share with you just this one or this single passive income idea that you can venture into, or that you can take advantage of, or that you can take opportunity on. Be patient on it, stay focused on it, work hard on it, and stay consistent on it in order to get that result that you so much desire. The online space is actually saturated. There are a lot of people in the online space hustling for this money, which have actually made it to be very, very or highly competitive. So if you are coming into the online market space, you have to be patient because you are coming to meet competitors. You are coming to meet people that are already better than you. You are coming to meet people that are smarter than you, people that are more advanced than you, people that know it better than you, people that have advanced gadgets than you, people that have advanced tech than you, people that have advanced experience than you. Some people have been in the online space for like 10, 15 years. There is someone I watched on YouTube. He was actually talking how he started making money online 16 years ago. Yeah. Imagine somebody that has been in the online space hustling for the online money for straight 16 years. You that just came into the online space today, you think you can outsmart that person or you can know everything more than that person. Well, sometimes making money online tends to come with luck. If you're lucky, let's say you are the smart person, you can just come in and start making the money right away. Good and fine for you. Luck actually found you right. Then sometimes it can take time. Like me, it actually took me 1 straight year before I could break through on YouTube. Then staying consistent is what will actually help you break through that challenge that you might tend to encounter in the make money online space. It's full of challenges, it's full of disappointment. I've seen so many people, they venture into this make money online thing, and at the end of the day, maybe after 3 months, after 6 months, no result, they'll just back out, they'll just quit, and they'll just give up. They'll say, make money online is not possible. It's a lie, it's possible, especially with video content creation. Facebook is monetizing now, as you all know, even in some of these African countries like Nigeria where we live in. Facebook is monetizing. I have a lot of friends that are already making money from Facebook that have their Facebook page monetized. But first, you have to create a Facebook page. Facebook page is what is monetizing, not your regular Facebook profile. Then Instagram pages are equally monetizing. You can monetize Instagram. There are a lot of big content creators that actually broke through on Instagram. Instagram only can change your life financially. Then let's talk about YouTube. YouTube content creation, where I live full-time. I live on YouTube full-time, and I create content mostly for YouTube. I'm equally on other social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. I equally have a lot of Facebook pages, and I'm equally on TikTok, but where I mostly create content seriously is on YouTube. Before you can actually get monetized, let me give you a secret about YouTube. Before you can actually get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hour. I know it will sound very big to you. That's where the challenge actually comes in. You say, hey, how can I actually get 1,000 subscribers as a newbie? How can I actually, get 4,000 watch hours as a newbie? Is it easy? It's impossible to achieve. You must be rich before you can actually succeed on YouTube. If you want to become a YouTube content creator, you must be rest assured that you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hour before you can apply for YouTube monetization partner program. Then as soon as you get accepted into the YouTube monetization partner program, where you can start maybe earning on a daily basis now, it doesn't stop there. That's where the hard work comes in. Because if you stop uploading content, YouTube will stop showcasing you. YouTube will start paying you serious money. It is when you keep on uploading more content, consistently, that's when YouTube will start taking you serious and start pushing you out to the outside world and start showing you to more viewers and more people. Then you start getting more views, more watch time. That's when more revenue and more money start flowing in for you. So YouTube content creation is a very lucrative business that you can take advantage of in this modern age. Although YouTube is not a young site, it's not a young platform, it's highly saturated at the moment. There are a lot of creators out there, but the viewers on YouTube are much more than the creators on YouTube. YouTube do receive up to 80 billion monthly visitors, and creators on YouTube, I don't think they're even up to 3 million, if I'm to say, according to the YouTube analysis. I don't know if the figure is right, but the margin is, I think, about 100 by 30 or thereabout. The viewers are much more in number, so there is still enough audience for you to target. If out of 80 billion people, you can actually have, even if it's 20,000 people to watch your content, bro, you are rich. You believe it? If you don't believe it, you can go and make research. So that's it, guys. If you want to start making money online today, focus on video content creation. Go and master some digital skills. Go and learn how to edit videos. Go and master some of the basic graphic design skills that will actually help you to design YouTube thumbnails, because after getting monetized, your content is what will actually matter next. How quality your content is, how quality your thumbnail design skill is what will actually matter if your content will reach out to more people, or if your content will get viewed, or if your content will receive enough clicks. Because if your thumbnail is not attractive enough, your video will not get clicks. I believe you know what thumbnail is, but if you don't know what thumbnail is that picture that you actually see, is that picture or that image you see on YouTube. Whenever you come on YouTube homepage, you see pictures that seems very attractive for you to actually click on. Maybe you see some pictures showing maybe a facial expression, maybe illustrating an action or a feeling or emotion that will actually lure you or tempt you into clicking on that video. That's thumbnail. That image on the video on YouTube is what called thumbnail. You need to go and master the skill of designing unique thumbnails before you can actually succeed very fast on YouTube. If your thumbnails are not good, they will not receive clicks. People will not feel interested in clicking on your video. So go and master some of these unique skills: graphic design, YouTube video editing. These are actually the basic thing you need to actually become a YouTube content creator, or a Facebook page content creator, or an Instagram content creator. You can even do this thing with your phone. You can get started with your phone, but using phone only will actually has its own limitation. If you're using phone only to create video content, it has its own limitation, because if you want to manage your YouTube studio, the phone will not show you the full features, so you equally need a laptop. So I'll advise you go and get a laptop. Get started with a laptop, master video editing, master graphic design, master the art of thumbnail design. Start pushing out content, start publishing content, pick a niche, stay on a niche, stay focused on it, work hardly on it, work seriously and tirelessly for it, work seriously and tirelessly on it. I bet you will succeed at the end of the day. It's still your boy Daniel Anthony. I just want to say bye-bye. In case you have any question, please drop your comments in the comment section below. I'll answer all of your questions. And if you want to get in touch with me personally, I have my WhatsApp contact line in this video description below. You can get in touch with me anytime, any day. I'm always available. You see me, Daniel Anthony. I love you all, but for now, I just have to say bye-bye and peace.